Would you like me to show you how you can get your child to follow directions like this?
Moshe, come sit down. Good job. Nice sitting.
Or do basic skills like this?
Sort. Nice work. Good sorting. High five. Match. Good job. Nice matching beads to beads.
Or how about communication? Would you like me to help you set up picture exchange communication or using an AAC device like this?
What do you want? Wow, you want beads? Nice asking for beads. Here you go.
I want potty.
Nice asking.
Good job.
I have a proven system for building communication at home, and you can get it on sale this week only. In the communication roadmap, you get 4 modules with step-by-step video lessons delivered over 30 days. So you can go from feeling overwhelmed and helpless to feeling hopeful and accomplished. This is the only parent training of its kind that will motivate your nonverbal or partially verbal child to finally attend, follow directions, and make requests with less crying, throwing tantrums, and running away. Click below to sign up before it's too late.